process workshop is where you bring a group of people together to talk about and agree and map a process. If you want to know more about process mapping, check out our video, What is Process Mapping? Process workshop is a brilliant way to bring people together to help facilitate a discussion around how things work in the organisation. It gives teams a chance to express their frustrations but also share ideas about how things can be done better. The major benefits of running a process workshop is about building a shared understanding among a group of people who are involved in the process. And that's really important because that helps to build trust and helps to drive out any issues that you might have both within the process and within the teams that operate that process. Ideally, you need to involve process owner in a process workshop as well as any experts in that process. But perhaps the most important audience that you need to involve are people who actually do the process and are involved in it on a day-to-day basis. Now, you may not be able to bring all of those people in one go, especially for larger organisations, but you certainly want a good representation from that audience. When running a workshop, it's essential that you keep things simple, making clear the purpose of the workshop. You want people to understand why they're there. Other things that will really help you in a process workshop is having some clear ground rules and make sure that people are clear on what those ground rules are at the start and stick to them throughout. Ground rules could include things like switching off your mobile phone, everybody is equal, everybody gets a chance to speak, and so on. In order to run a process workshop, you need a room that's big enough to accommodate all of the people that you're going to invite, or if you're running the workshop online, you need suitable software that will allow people to be able to talk, share ideas while you're mapping the process. You'll also need somewhere to record any other information, ideas or actions that come up, but ultimately you need some process improvement software such as Skore that will allow you to map the process while you're discussing it in real time. If you'd like to learn more about how Skore can help you, sign up for a free trial on the link below.